So, this is our second day of Crispy Boy. Hindi namin na na-expect to kasi pagdating namin ng kiosk, ang dami na palang nakapila and willing to wait sila, guys. Well, nung araw na to, medyo na-late kami ng open and super na-overwhelmed kasi ang dami agad ng order. Tapos yung mga order pa is yung mga malalakihan talaga. Meron pa umorder ng bilao. Not complaining though, I'm just so thankful na ganito ka-warm yung welcome nyo sa amin. Na kahit second day pa lang kami, grabe, ang dami na agad bumalik. And second day pa lang namin, ang dami na nagtatanong kung franchisee ba to or nagpapa-franchise ba kami. And to answer that, guys, no, this is not a franchisee and hindi po kami nagpapa-franchise. This is our own brand, own recipe, and pinagtulungan talaga namin to ni Jervs. Well, sa akin lang naman yung sisig sauce tsaka yung suka, then the rest kay Jervs na lahat. But this December, guys, don't worry kasi maglalabas kami ng frozen and pwede na rin kami mag-supply sa mga restaurants. Yeah, if you wanna do business like this, we can supply for you with your own brand. And of course, ititinda rin namin siya sa kiosk namin para anytime makakatikim kayo ng Crispy Boy. Follow nyo lang lahat ng socials namin for all updates. And para hindi kayo maubusan, guys, please do advance orders through our FB page.